Okay. So the houses for free will is 3rd house, 6th house, and 11th house. Whenever you get the dasha of these houses, suppose you will get the dasha of 3rd house lord, the planet sitting in the 3rd house, you will unlock your past life karmas. That will change your life.
Oh, okay.
Okay. No planet is good, no planet is bad. Because you are still analyzing the Jupiter dasha as if you have a Leo ascendant, it's the lordship of 5th house and the 8th house also.
Yes.
Now we're going to study a stellar astrology now. We'll just say the advanced KP or Cuspal interlink theory. What the Cuspal interlink theory says, it's not a planet who gives the result. It's the planet in which its nakshatra is also give you the result.
Okay.
If you think your Jupiter is well placed in Leo ascendant, suppose sitting in the 5th house only, you become very happy. I have a Jupiter in 5th house, it will give good result. No, you need to check the nakshatra on which Jupiter is sitting.
Okay.
Suppose you have if the Jupiter in such a nakshatra with the Lord is tabulated in the D1 also, it means the dasha will not go very good. Or whether the nakshatra Lord is sitting in 6, 8, 12, it's not very good for you. But you will become happy that I am getting Jupiter dasha. It's not like this.
Okay.
While analyzing a dasha, I will share one chart with you. It's more easy for you. Just a minute.
Okay.
So we'll complete at least the basic, the dasha result according to this chart. Forget your Lagna chart, original Lagna chart.
Okay.
It's very simple. It's called dasha Lagna concept.
Okay.
Now you're running, this native is running with Jupiter, Mercury. So Mercury sitting is 4th house. It will give the result of 4th house only, not 6th house now. In D1 chart,
okay.
Mercury sitting in the 6th house. But now I need to check the result. I will see the Mercury is Lord of 7th house and 4th house. This Mercury dasha may give him a marriage.
Okay.
Because Mercury ruled 7th house also. But if you see the natal chart, if I'll go back to the natal chart, you will say Mercury cannot give the marriage because it doesn't have any connection with the 7th house or Lagna.
Oh, okay.
But once you make it a dasha Lagna, you can clearly say that this native may get married in Mercury sub period.
Oh, okay.
So how easy it is for you?
Yeah, it is easy. And I have one more question. So are we going to use the D9 also for this analysis, the same kind
of? You see, actually this predictive is including only stellar astrology. That is called Cuspal interlink theory. Okay. But I started with the basic, you both, citizen, you know the basics. So I didn't go on the basic level because you know about houses, planets. I don't want to waste your time.
Yeah.
I've given something else which you have not read anywhere. Nobody had told you this about. I'm giving you extra about that. See, if you go for the D9 will become more critical for you. It's not a one hour course about D9. It will take 3-4 classes on D9.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So first, our requirement for Cuspal interlink theory is to know the basic of Vedic astrology, which you all know about the Vedic basic of Vedic. You know about planets, you know about houses, you know about the significator of planets also. The sun rules my father, sun is soul, sun is authority, sun is government. So you know the significance of planet also.
Yes.
This is what we require to study Cuspal interlink theory, which is in short, which is CIL theory.
Okay.
But as I did not discuss the basic things, because I know everyone knows about the basics, so I given you something extra about that, which you will not get in books. This is my experience. So I have given you very simple rule how to read dasha. Whatever dasha is running, make that particular house as an ascendant and read the dasha.
Okay.
Whenever you read a dasha, in the first class I told you I will show you how to pick the thread of the horoscope, how to read a chart. I will tell you one more thing. You see, whenever you read the chart, you need to read the chart from the moon also, because moon is my mind.
So whichever one is stronger, like from the ascendant, if it is stronger, we read that. Otherwise, we have to start reading from the moon.
No, you see, we have said that, you see, according to the Prashya Rishi, if the ascendant is strong, calculate the dasha from ascendant. If moon is strong, calculate the dasha from moon. If sun is strong, calculate the dasha of sun. But actual, we do not do this. We only calculate Vimshoti Dasha from the moon because it's a nakshatra based Dasha.
Oh, yeah.
Vimshotri Dasha is nakshatra based Dasha. The calculation, but we need to see the Dasha Vimshotri also from the strongest between Sun, Moon, Ascendant. But 99% astrologers do not do this. It's your experience. When you move further, it's become your experience. Because we're going to study stellar astrology. Stellar astrology, we read Vimshotri Dasha only. And the calculation is done from the moon only. That's why it's moon nakshatra only. You see, there are many dashas. It's nakshatra based dasha. If you make a right click here, there are Vimshotri Dasha, Ashtotri Dasha, Kalchak Dasha, Yogi Dasha, Vistati Sama Dasha. How many dashas are there?
Yeah,
these are called conditional dasha, and these dashas are very important. Unfortunately, this is not part of this particular course.
Okay.
You have a Rashi Dasha also. If you press Rashi, these are the Rashi Dashas. I'll just make it. These are Rashi Dasha. Drik Dasha, Lagna Kendrapati Rashi Dasha, Trikona Dasha, Char Dasha by K.N. Rao, Char Dasha by Prashra, Shul Dasha. All a point. And you move further, you have other Dasha also. I will show that is called, no, not Arud. Arud is a different concept.
Arud Lagna is different. Oh, that is Lagna.
Yeah.
Lagnas are also so different.
Yes. Now see, there are Mula Dasha also. Tara Dasha, Kala Dasha. Check how many Dashas are there. And we are only sticking to Vimshoti Dasha. Why? Because we do not know how to read conditional Dashas.
Okay.
Lord Ram had 14-year Saturn Dasha of Mula Dasha. Not Vimshotri Dasha. Saturn Vimshotri Dasha run for 19 years. But he went for Banvas for 14 years. He runs with Mula Dasha of Saturn for 14 years. Saturn in 4th house.
Oh.
If you know the Lord Ram chart, he's having a Saturn exalted in 4th house. He's a Cancer ascendant. But the Saturn